please, you are not advised to fast. Do not fast for any reason, so that you can get the desired result. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel back on your screen with a new video. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon, and also give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, and share this video. And to all my returning subscribers, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch yet another video from me. In today's video, I will be showing you how to prepare the body enhancement formula. I've shared this trick and tip before, but I think that I've upgraded a bit on how to produce this, how to prepare this for effective use. So I thought I'd do an update on how to prepare your body enhancement formula. This is our body enhancement formula. This is it, and this is the one I've been taking for myself. As you can see, it's no longer full as it used to. I've been taking this, but before we go into that, how to make this formula, I have a huge announcement for you all. The announcement I have for you today is one that will gladden your heart. For many of you who have been requesting for an in-depth training, an in-depth tutorial on how to make the butt and hips enhancement syrup, this is your opportunity to register for that training. Okay, I've done that training twice. I've done for the syrup twice, and this is the batch C. I've done batch A last year, batch B last year, and now it's batch C. And as you guys know, I just concluded on my Easter discount sales, and in February or March, I think, or in February, I did a training for a whole butt and hips enhancement. I did a training on the whole product. So if you want to train for everything, that is a different case, but this particular training which I'm announcing now is for the butt and hips enhancement syrup. So many people come and tell me, Jereel, I want to learn personally from you. I don't want to follow the tutorials you shared on YouTube. I want you to train me better. I'm thinking of starting the business. I'm thinking of starting to produce for myself and for commercial purpose. So I want an in-depth training. I've been getting a lot of DMs concerning that. So this is why I fixed up or organized a training for all those who want to train on how to make the syrup. This training is just going to be about syrup production. And as you guys know, this was my first invention. This was the first product I started selling before I started including other products, and now the products are vast. I have a lot of products up for sale. I have a lot of products for you guys. So this has remained my best seller. So I'll be training for all those who want to learn, who want to start the business commercially, who want to venture into the business. Okay, so do well to DM me. I'll leave my number on the screen and also in the description box. And the price is 15,000 Naira if you're in Nigeria, and $40 for foreign students. Okay, so if you're not in Nigeria, you're paying $40, and if you're in Nigeria, you're paying 15,000 Naira. And the training is going to run for 5 days. Okay, it's going to run for 5 days, and it's starting on the 5th of May and ending on the 10th of May. So do well to register and reserve a seat for yourself. Do not say I didn't inform you. All right, this training is always very interactive, very educational. You're free to ask questions. I give you answers, and at the end of the training, I give you a practical demonstration of how to prepare the syrup. All right, so if you have If you have been longing for this opportunity, this is your moment now. And the training is strictly going to be held on WhatsApp. Do well to hit me on the number you see on the screen. That is my WhatsApp number, and you register for the training. Like I said, the training is starting on the 5th of March till the 10th of March. It's a 5-day training, and at the end of the training, you'll be getting a practical demonstration. All right, a practical demonstration from me. So do not fail to register. I've been, like I said, for me to come up with this kind of trainings, I've been getting a lot of DMs. So if you're one of those that have been DMing me for this opportunity, now it is here. Rush now and register for this training. All right, so that you can get the front seat and leave the back seat for the latecomers. Do not miss out on this. Do not miss out on this. Back to the main video. I'll be showing you how to produce or how to prepare your body enhancement formula. It's also the butt enhancement formula. All right, it's the butt and hips enhancement formula, but I just give it a whole name, the body enhancement formula. Like I said, I've shared a video a couple of months ago how to make this, but little things have changed up on how to prepare this for effective use. So I'm sharing with you the trick on how to prepare for effective use. So you see results, so you see massive results, and you'll be happy that you purchased this item. So this is what our formula looks like. Like I said, I've been taking mine, and that is what it looks like. And this is a formula help grows your body. It has all the necessary ingredients, all the necessary herbs that can help you enlarge your butt and your hips. All right, I think I stated out in a video some time ago, or during the course of my training, I told my students that sometimes the formula do not include some of the ingredients in the syrup. This is because some of the ingredients in the syrup have bitter taste. They have bad organoleptic properties, and I don't want my consumers taking this and feeling it's too bitter, I cannot take it any longer. So that's why I incorporate those bitter herbs into the syrup, because the honey is going to max up that bitter taste and normalize it, and you don't feel the taste of any bitter thing while taking the syrup. But this formula, it is extra made. Like, we give the best. I gave the best in making this formula. All right, and this formula is sweet, so you don't need to be worried about any taste. You don't need to worry about it's too bitter, I cannot take it. You don't need to worry about anything at all. I made sure that all the ingredients I incorporated are not something that will make you feel sick. They're not something that will make you feel after this first time I'm not taking it again. I took my time while making this formula. All right, I took my time while incorporating and compounding the ingredients used to make this formula. And the ingredients incorporated in this formula is very rich in growing your butt, your hips. Is going to help grow your thighs. All right, it contains a lot of bodybuilding ingredients. I just want to give you a backstory of what this formula is all about. So here I have the formula, and I have my glass cup. And one thing I always say while making your formula is to work with a full cream milk. This video is not sponsored, but I have my instant full cream milk here. And that's what I'll be using to produce my formula. All right, so I'm going to cut it. It's in a sachet. I'm going to cut it and pour it into my glass cup. So while making your formula, you need to take milk. If you don't have milk, use yogurt, but make sure that when using milk, you're using full cream milk. Don't use any milk except full cream milk. You can use variety of brands, not basically this one you see me holding. And when you can also use yogurt while making your formula. As I don't have yogurt, I have powdered milk. I'm using my powdered milk. So I'll be pouring the powdered milk into my glass cup. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of powdered milk, the packaged packet milk. Okay, so if you don't have the packet milk, you can use any milk you have, but it must be full cream. All right, note that it must be full cream. You cannot use anything except full cream. So this is about either 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoons of instant full cream milk. Like I said, you can use any brand, not basically this one I've used. You can also use your yogurt. All right, you can use your yogurt. It's also very, very good. All right, and the yogurt I'm talking about is not the Hollandia yogurt, so don't go and use that one. You can use thick yogurt, the one that you know what I'm saying, not the sweetened yogurt. Don't go and buy the restaurant bought or store bought sweetened yogurt. Buy plain yogurt. All right, so this is the formula, and I'll be adding just 1 tablespoon, or I can make it 2. It depends on how I feel. So this is 1 tablespoon. And this is 2 tablespoons. So I've covered my formula back, and this is my formula with the milk. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up together to incorporate the milk and the formula. All right, I'm going to say this again, and maybe for the last time if I don't remember to say it again. Please work with full cream milk. Don't use any milk that is not full cream milk. Full cream milk is high in protein. It has a lot of protein in it, so it's what is actually going to help us build that weight around our butts, our hips. All right, so you don't want to alter this by using any other kind of milk except full cream milk. After mixing this up together, I have it in my glass cup. You're going to take warm water, not hot, not cold. Take warm water. Mine is still sizzling a bit, but I'm just going to, by the time I add it and start stirring it to incorporate, I'm sure it will cool down. But don't use hot water, because you're going to drink this in at once. You're not going to sip or anything. So you need warm water so it will be easy to pass your throat. So I'm going to add my water into my glass. I just want this quantity today because I don't have a lot of milk in the glass. Please, while doing, don't mind me that I use just 1 sachet of milk. You can use 2, you can use 3. Do whatever pleases you, all right? But I'm not going to make this glass to a full glass because I use just 1 milk. I'm just going to make it half like this. So you start mixing your drink. This formula is ready to be drunk. So if you're working with more milk, you can fill up your glass. All right, and this thing can keep you full. It can make you feel full, but do not say you have taken formula and that's it for the day. You have to eat. All right, why trying to build that weight? Why trying to build that hips, that butt? You have to be eating well. Don't skip your meals. Don't skip your breakfast. Don't skip your lunch. Don't skip your dinner. All right, eat very well. Actually, you can increase your square meal per day. You can make it from 3 to 4 or 5 square meals a day. So you have food in your belly that can help this item work, that can help this product work. Like I said, you can't be taking body enhancement formula and you go and fast. You can't be fasting and want to build your body. So if you want to fast, it's either you finish fasting and start weight gain, or you finish weight gain and start fasting. But if you go and lose weight, that's your own. No. So while taking our body enhancement products, both the syrup, the formula, anything at all, please, you are not advised to fast. Do not fast for any reason, so that you can get the desired results. And one thing again, I always tell customers, in case I miss while taking body enhancement product, be it the syrup, the formula, anything at all you're taking that is body enhancement product, if you fall sick, just in case maybe you take ill, please discontinue taking these things till when you get better. You can't take body enhancement products with other medicines. All right, so if you're feeling sick, maybe you have malaria, you have typhoid or anything, cold, flu, anything at all that we need you to take medication, please stop taking enhancement products until you treat yourself very well and you get better. Then you can start taking your enhancement products. All right, I don't advise people taking enhancement products to be taking drugs as well. The drugs could alter the effectiveness of this product, or these products could alter the effectiveness of the drugs. Like I said, these products are compounded from herbs, roots and herbs, so we don't want anything to alter our English medicine. These are traditional medicines. All right, we don't want anything to alter the English medicine. So while you're sick, while you're taking English medicine for any purpose, please do not take body enhancement products till when you get better. Then you can go back to your body enhancement products. Capiche? And again, while making this formula, please, do not use cold water. Use warm water. Warm water is the best while making enhancement formula, our butt and hips enhancement formula. Use warm water. All right, use warm water. Do not use cold water, please. I'm going to take a sip and let you guys see. This is so good. This our formula is so good. I promise. I really love our formula. It's the best. Okay, it is the best. Okay, so if you're struggling how to take it, this is just how I make mine, and this is how I also advise people to make theirs. All right, please do not skip any points I've mentioned here. Do not fast when taking English medication. Discontinue enhancement products. While taking your formula, work with full cream milk. While taking enhancement formula, work with full cream milk. Use warm water while mixing the formula, and while mixing the formula, use warm water. You can use yogurt or full cream milk, like I said. And again, for those asking how can we take it, is it once a day or twice a day? I advise you take twice a day, but for people who just get this little quantity, they want to minimize and take once a day, that is also okay. All right, so you can take once a day, you can take twice a day. Maybe if you're buying the bigger quantity, you can take twice a day, but if you're buying this to cut cost, just take this once a day. And do not skip. While taking enhancement product, do not take today and take the next day, or take today and take next week. Repeat it every single day. Repeat it every day for best results. All right, so guys, basically that's what I thought I share with you guys today, how to make the butt and hips enhancement formula. And my steps are so easy, and you end up with the best lasting results. All right, so do not skip any of these steps I've listed out. Number one, use your full cream milk or yogurt. Number two, eat well, increase your square meal. Have food in your belly always. Do not fast. If you become sick for any reason or the other, please do not take enhancement product. Discontinue till after you've treated yourself very well and you're fit, then you can start taking your enhancement products again. So basically, those are all the tips that I apply while taking enhancement products, especially while using my butt and hips enhancement formula. For those who want to learn how to make this effectively, who learn how to make this in commercial quantity, learn how to make this either to venture into the business or to take for themselves, the training is up now. Please go and register. Please DM me to register for this training, and I'll love to see you there. All right, if you stay till the end of this video, please do well to give a thumbs up. I love you so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Please share this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Do well, oh, better do well to subscribe to my channel, and do not leave here without giving this video a thumbs up. Do not leave here without commenting below. I love to read your comments. All right, I love to read your comments, so drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.